Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you the 25 best CPA networks in 2022 top paying offers. I will guide you and show you the best network giver which you can earn money easily, and you will get convert more from this CPA offer. So let me show, and we can start now. All the details I will show you. Okay, the first one name is ClickBank. ClickBank is the most popular affiliate network, okay, worldwide. You can get all the conversion from here. You can get all the entertainment, lifestyle, financial, every offer you will get from the ClickBank. So it's overall in all in one. Okay, it's all in one platform, ClickBank. Okay, just create your account from the ClickBank today and earn your money. Okay. So next one name is Max Bounty. Max Bounty is the top most OG network CPA affiliate marketing ever. Okay, it's the very best ever I can see, and a lot of offers here, huge offers here. Just registration from today, and after you will get review and accepted, then you can earn money from here. Okay, a lot of conversion you will get from here. The next one name is Crack Revenue. Crack Revenue is on kind of dating site. If you want to offer adult traffic, or if you want to promote adult traffic, then this is best for you. This is a Crack Revenue. Huge earning available here. The third one name is Click Dealer. It's one kind of smart link dealer. You will get here smart link and publisher. You can do publisher advertise account here. A lot of offer here. Medicine offer, make money offer, SOITUI, everything here. Just its name is Click Dealer. The next one name is CPA Lead. CPA Lead is worldwide famous network even for the beginner. If anyone get very tired to create account, or if anyone cannot create account or not get accepted, then CPA Lead will be best for you. Just do account, within a minute you will get approved, and from today you can earn money. So its name is CPA Lead. The next one name is Admitted. Admitted is one kind of medicine offers available here. A lot of medicine offer available here worldwide. So just join from today. Its name is Admitted. The next one name is CPA Matica, your affiliate network. So here Verticals, dating, sweepstakes, everything are here. Offer are here. Weight loss, health, beauty product are available here. Here you can get conversion from mobile, PC, everything. Okay, so the next one name is Toro Advertising. So let me briefly tell you the name only. Okay, so just research these website from the Google, then you can get a lot of information from here. Toro Advertising. The next one name is AdWork Media. The next one name is Advendor. Advendor also worldwide number one CPA network ever. Its name is Advendor. The next one name is MyLead. MyLead has a lot of offers here: crypto, fashion, gaming, pets, gambling, every offer available here. And you can withdraw money through PayPal, Skrill, Web Money, Bitcoin. Okay, MyLead, within a second you will get approved from the MyLead, and it's comprehensive platform for earning money. Okay, it's a very famous platform for the beginners. The next one name is FireAds. It's Poland based CPA network. It's actually been in business for almost decade now. Here crypto offers available here, a lot of crypto offers. The next one is Madrivo. So making money is an affiliate market comes down to simple equation. So let me show you the Madrivo. Okay, it's maybe new network. Okay, just do your publisher account from today and earn your money. Here a lot of offers you will get. Its name is Madrivo. The next one name is easy 25 already gone. Okay, so I will show you the 25, not more. Just this 25 is enough for you. I think there is need no more. Okay, this 25 if you work in 25, then I think you will get a lot of traffic from here. So the next one name is Global White Media. Then one name is AdSense Media. Just see here, 35k plus publishers, 55 million payers. So huge, you already see the huge traffic or huge users here. The next one name is F4D. Just noted this all name, this all the high paying sites ever. So just from today join this network, okay, whichever you can just see the payment threshold and payment frequency and payment withdrawing method, and just trying to sign up, okay, from today. The next one name is Movidia. The next one name is AdVD. The next one name is Ad Combo, and the next one name is Revenue Ads. The next one name is Panthera Network and Digital Media Solution Formula W4, okay, Convert Media, Affiliate Network, Lemon Ads, Accelerator for Machine Reset Avenue. It's bit tough to get accepted because they will ask you a lot of question and take interview, okay, so it's really tough to join here. Etc. is easily you can get a lot of supported from here. You will get publisher, advertiser and affiliate, 3 types of earning method here. So it both CPA sectors a wide range of attractive niches: gambling, gaming, antivirus, utility, VPN, software, dating, suitcase, all the offers you'll get from this network. Its name is Adstera, okay. Let me show you that Adstera face. It is Adstera. Welcome to Adstera CPA. You can withdraw money, Bitcoin, USDT, PayPal, Wave Money, wire transfer, Pexam, everything here. So don't worry. From today you can earn money, I think. Just trying to get conversion, okay. If you try more, I think you will get more earning. CPA network is all about the conversion related. If you have a lot of traffic, if you have a lot of social media, then there is no problem to earn money. You can earn money daily 100 200 easily if you have millions traffic or billions traffic. So you don't have to bother anything. So today I will show you the 25 best CPA network which high paying in 2022, and you will get a lot of satisfied moment from here. So I think this video is very best for you. Just share my video everyone, so the difference will get that which CPA network or which affiliate network will get best, or they got hesitation. Just send my video here there, or share my video on your Facebook wallet or YouTube, so that people will get a lot of information from my video, and they will note at my all CPA network or affiliate network sites for the 2022. So I think this thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you already understand or fully seeing my video. So thank you very much.